guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's face pack is going to be out of this rose. Okay, yeah, nobody gave me this rose. I got it by myself. And did you guys know rose is really good for your skin? It has so many skin benefits, and rose water, as you all know, is so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a facial cleanser out of this, and then we'll make a face pack. So guys, I have just taken some rose petals. I've made it into a paste like this, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk, raw milk, to this. So I'm just going to take a cotton pad, dip it into this, and I'm going to cleanse my face with this. I'm just going to cleanse my face. Guys, once I've done that, we'll make a face pack and then we're going to apply that. So for this face pack, we need some rose petal paste and about 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and to this we'll add about 1 tablespoon of curd. So guys, here I have my rose petal paste. To this I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of rice flour. To this I'll add about 2 teaspoons of curd, which is yogurt. So guys, I've applied this. Now I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse my face. So guys, I've rinsed my face now, and if you can see the difference, it's so smooth and it's become so glowy and so nice. So guys, you should definitely try this face pack and do try the facial cleanser. It's really beneficial for your skin. You can do it for about twice to thrice a week. That is no problem. All the ingredients are also very fresh and very good for your skin. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.